You ever notice that all the videos start out like I'm filming at your legs?
Yeah.
It's like I can't start the camera here. I always start it down here.
Or your shoes.
Or my shoes, the squeaky shoes. Are you ready? Are you sure you're ready? Oh, what happened? Slow down. Wide right, slow down. Are you serious? There's 4. There's 5. Okay, well, wow. That was a good start. Walk and shoot. Get it up, get the gun up, let's go, come on. Switch to your right hand. Okay, ready? Engage. 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 All right, let's go, holster it up. Holster it up. It's a shotty. Ugh. Left side, boonie hat, tan hat. Right side, blue hat, tan hat. All right, let's go, combat, combat. Get it up, one more, put one in it. Right side, boonie hat, blue hat. Right side, boonie hat, blue hat. 2 more, come on. Tan hat, blue hat, left side. Tan hat, blue hat. 2 more, right? Are you out?
2 more.
2 more, let's go, let's go. Come on, get it up. Are they in?
Yeah.
All right, boonie hat, tan hat, left side. Dry. Good run.
Camera over.
There you go. All right. That's almost out. Wow. Uh-oh. That broke the line. He's going to be hurting. That wad. That's... No, right there. Dude, pie plates. Seriously? Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Throw it in. I was watching the camera, so I didn't see any of these. How did it look?
4 or 5.
They're all in. 1, is that 3? 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that's 3, Chris. You see it? Does that look like 1, 2, 3? He's shooting a 45. Surely he's not going to miss.
Yeah, you're not going to throw one there, so
I think that's
probably close
another
enough.
one right there. Alright, they're all in. Okay. Pie plates, dude.
Someone from Beaverton, Oregon just called me.